Hi friends, it's Julia, and I am here with my March 2021 Counterfeit Kit Challenge series where I am creating 7 layouts in 7 days, and this is layout number 6. And for this one, I'm using a March 2021 page map sketch, and it is this one. You can see the background has a couple of different papers. It has a cluster, embellishment cluster here, here, and here, along with the title above the photos, and it does call for 3 photos. So I have pulled 3 photos in, and I have pulled in a large sheet of the Bow Bunny, second sheet of the Bow Bunny, and then I have pulled in these scraps from an old SCI kit. So that's where I am starting with, and then I have added in, of course, my large sticker sheet from Bow Bunny that came with the collection that I brought in. And it is the Believe collection. And then I have puffy stickers from Felicity Jane Jamie collection. I have Shapes and Dots puffy stickers from Ellie Studio. These are from 2019, I believe. That's what the production date is down here. Copyright date, I guess. These are Ellie Studio Everyday Goodness epoxy stickers. Same, it came with this collection. These are Freckled Fawn puffy sticker cameras, and I started off with a partial pack of those, and I'm just plugging away at them. These are the Ellie Studio Happiness Found stickers, and they are phrase stickers with you know, an icon, a heart there. I've used several. I want to try and use some more. These are Freckled Fawn label stickers, as are these. These are from 2016. I don't think I have a date on that other pack. These are from 2019, and then I have several packs of washi stickers. I have this set, which are partially used, this set, which is partially used, and this set, which is partially used. I do have a pocket page card that I have brought in, and then of course I brought these stickers in from 2019 to create a title with or something. But I do have other stickers. I do have other supplies sitting around here. So give me a second. Let me put this together, and I will be back to share what I have completed. Be right back. Okay, friends, I am done. The only thing that I did not use was this sticker sheet, the label stickers. I don't know. I couldn't find a purpose for them, so I didn't use them. Anyway, so here's my sketch number 6, and then this is what I have left as far as the pattern paper goes. This and this. Very tiny little scraps of paper, and then I have some of this left over. I used a strip of that. So all of that will go back into my stash to use with another layout, or have as an option. I did use a piece of washi from here. I did use a label from here. I did use a strip of washi from here. And I used 2 labels from here. I used the one with lines and then the one with the border. And then I did use stickers from here. I used a strip here, and then I used one of these, and then the other one that had, what did I just do with it? Have I lost my mind? Oh no, there it is. So this one had a green with words on it. I didn't necessarily want the words, so I just used it as something to tuck behind, as well as this one. It said love you more, and then the orange one, I used 2 of those. Not so much for the words, but for the border ability. I did use this to make my title. That letter set, I used 1, 2, 3 pieces from this word stickers. I used another camera, which is always nice when you can get a lot of these embellishments used. I used 3, I think, circle embellishments, and then I used several of the words, 2 or 3. I used puffy dots from this sheet and a phrase from this sheet, and here is the sticker sheet. You can see I used a ton. I had border strips all through here. I used a piece of this border strip. I had more border strips here, another one here, one down here, right here, this one, and this one. So I used a ton of border strips from that sheet, as well as a tag from there. here's what I created. I did go into my stash and I did pull in one of the Crazy Birds that I had previously stamped and colored. And so this one is one that was embossed. The black was embossed. I don't remember if it was black embossing powder or clear embossing powder over black ink. I don't remember. But I used my Misty stamping tool in order to do that whenever I do the stamping, and then if I'm going to use clear, I will stamp it with the black, and then I will go back over with the embossing ink, the what do you call that stuff? The Versamark. So anyway, you can see there's the one paper strip up here at the top, and then border strips, border strip, border strip, border strip, and there's a part of a border strip. I cut this card in half, used a little at the top, a little at the bottom, used washi strips down here. There's one of those words with the washi sticker behind it. Same here and same here. I used a tab here, a tab here, and a label here. That's a sticker. I was going to put something on that. I don't know. Let me do one of my enamel dots that I did not pull, one of the gemstones. We'll do that. We'll put one of these blue ones right here. There we go. That's better. So there's a washi strip there, washi strips down here. There's the acrylic or not acrylic, epoxy phrases. There's the puffy sticker with the word. There's the journaling down here at the bottom. Sparkling Girl with the Camera is my title. Yeah, I love how this turned out. The stitching that is showing down here is actually on the background paper, and then these that look like washi strips are actually on the paper as well. So let me give you a little bit of close-ups, and I will have close-up photos at the end of the video, so make sure stay tuned for that if you're interested. There you go. Layout number 6 is done. Okay. Stay tuned for close-ups, and I will see you guys tomorrow with the next layout. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.